everyone, so the eyes are done, and yeah, I have tape, I know, don't judge. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the orange from the Ruby Kisses palette. I love this orange because this orange is a very nice orange. It's not too over the top. It's like that orange that just gives the tone. It just sets everything. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to apply it to the crease. Then I am going in with the BH Cosmetics. This is their 10 blush palette. Yes, one of the blushes got ruined. So sad. Okay, but we're going to use it anyway. We're going to continue with it. I'm going to take that nice blush, and it's like a nice, gorgeous, rosy blush. And I'm going to apply it to the lid. And now I'm going to do like a halo look. It's been a minute since I've done a halo look. So I'm just going to add the black to the outer and inner corner. Of course, I'm doing the usual and using the usual product that I do the usual with. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and beige. This is beige. And I'm going to apply it to the center. Not how I would normally do a cut crease, but just like right in the center. I do know whenever you get done applying concealer, it's important to set the concealer with a setting powder, because if you do not, it's going to go all over the place and it's not going to be nice. So I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Nightfall palette, and I'm going to take that nice blue. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I am just so in love with this blue. It's just great. It's been like a blue thing lately on Instagram, because blue is like a new thing. Everybody's lately been rocking blue eyeshadow, so I was like, let me join the bandwagon. Okay, then after the blue, I'm just going to take like a nice little, I think this is a gold. Nice pretty gold shimmery color, and I'm going to apply it right into the inner corner. That's not gold, that's a green eyeshadow. Okay, this is from Ruby Kisses as well. I'll have all of their names just below, and I love this little nice green eyeshadow. It's so beautiful, you guys, so beautiful. So now I'm just gonna be applying it right where I normally apply black, but I just applied it right in the crease, and then I'm just gonna make sure I blend everything out. Don't worry, we're not gonna have this thing looking like this. I'm not like that, so please let's not get our stress level up. We're gonna get it done, and we're gonna get to work. And I'm just gonna pack that green, yes, green, not gold, in the inner corner and halfway up in the green. That I'm going to take a brown and kind of like, you know, blend out those harsh lines, because if you don't, it won't look right. And then also I'm going to apply some gel eyeliner, I'm taking the Color Workshop gel eyeliner in black, and I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use this because this gel eyeliner is nice, it's creamy, but then again with the tape it creates that nice lovely winged great wing eyeliner. It's just amazing. That feeling once you remove the tape, I know, right? So now I'm going to be applying mascara, and I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Falsies mascara, and after I do that I'm going to apply lashes, and then that should be the look.